Thank you for the correction.
Yes, the fire service has come of age. I mean, we have been in existence since 1963, and we have been educating the general populace on fire safety. Fire safety is important in our current dispensation because without it, a lot of businesses will go down the drain, and that will not augur well for our nation. Fire safety is simply the practices or measures put in place to minimize the impact of fires in a structure or in a building. So right from the planning stage, through the design stage, through the construction stage, safety is very paramount, and for which we must ensure that it is done right and is done well.
Okay.
So that we don't experience fires. But it is also important to also let the public also know that it can never happen that we will have a society where fires will not occur. That is why we require that developers put in adequate safety measures in their structures so that even if the fires occur, the impact will be minimized and then lives and property will be saved.
Now, you said developers need to put in adequate, structures during the construction stage. I would want to understand this. When does it start? Is it even with the designing of the drawing, or is when you're about beginning the construction itself?
Yes, it begins right from the word go. Once you have the idea to put up a structure, you need to be able to go to the appropriate quarters to submit an application or to submit your drawings. So let's say when you want to put up a building in Ghana, the first place or the first point of call is the assemblies, where you have to submit your drawings for them to give you a building permit. So once it goes through that stage, you are also required to also come with to fire service with your drawings, where we will also do our review. By our review, we are supposed to know the exposures of where you are going to put up that particular structure, as to whether that structure can the soil that is available where you're going to put your structure is in the capacity to even contain the load, depending on the size of building that you're going to put up there. So there is the need for soil testing and all the other considerations to be done. I mean, we don't work in isolation. We work in tandem with other stakeholders, so they also do their bit. So once those things are done and you submit your drawings to us, it is our responsibility to check the exits with the direction of opening of the doors and what have you, so that in case there is fire, there will be easy, there will be, how do you call it, easy way for people to escape. So technically, we give advice on building plans and structural layouts to facilitate easy escape when there is fire.
Easy escape.
Sure.
It's not about the installation of probably detectors or smoke detectors, let's say sprinklers. With that, you don't advise on that, Mr. Kosa?
No,